Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Garageband and importing or recording the sound you want. This is where you decide the tone and length. Once done, set a cycle region to 30 seconds because iPhone ringtones must be 30 seconds or shorter. Make sure the metronome is off unless you need it. Use files to bring in MP3 or WAV or record live for character. This gets you immediately into editing, no wasted setup, and gives you a precise working clip to shape. Now focus on editing. You trim using split and delete and zoom in to remove any clicks at the start or end. This prevents harsh edges. Then add fades and light compression to control dynamics, plus EQ to remove muddiness. These steps make the ringtone sound professional on small speakers. Once balanced, normalize peaks so it's loud but not clipping. Make sure the cycle region matches the clip you want to export, because GarageBand only shares what's inside that region. To finish, tap Share and choose Ringtone. Give it a clear name and export. GarageBand converts it into the correct format automatically. Once exported, you can set it immediately as your default ringtone or assign it to a contact via Settings, Sounds, and Haptics. If the ringtone doesn't appear, make sure the exported clip is 30 seconds or shorter. Then restart your phone or reopen GarageBand. Also verify files and iCloud permissions so the ringtone's saved correctly. That troubleshooting step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.